My name is David Reinhart, Executive Vice President at Visionaize. Visionaize is a software company that's highly focused on delivering true operational digital twins. We focus on delivering real value in oil and gas, power and energy, industrial manufacturing, anywhere there's complex assets. The problem that we're seeing today is that there's tons of data available, and oftentimes this exists in silos. And so accessing the right data at the right time in a truly contextualized and meaningful way is a big problem. And that's where vSuite comes in by delivering a truly 3D immersive digital twin to solve a lot of those problems, to really provide situational awareness, provide that insight, even visualize things like predictive analytics, and deliver a platform that generates VR, AR, and other advanced solutions for inspection and maintenance and other operational activities. How we're involved in these twins is really by delivering a 3D platform that facilitates the right information at the right time for the right people. So we can compress the time to value for planning, implementation, and analysis of critical functions. Visualizing data, predictive analytics, planning and executing important maintenance and inspection activities. And integrating all of this in with enterprise data, so it doesn't matter where it comes from, IoT, edge, computing, historical data, or real-time information, all really deployed at the fingertips of these different users and operators. So Visionaize is really focused in the industrial sector to facilitate solutions for oil and gas, process industries, power and energy, industrial manufacturing, this kind of thing. That's where we focus largely today. We're seeing a lot of pull in different spaces, such as civil and infrastructure, power and energy, especially I mentioned already, areas like nuclear. We're having good information, helps people decide quickly, operate faster, and improve safety, compliance, and other things. I think one of the problems our customers face today is really understanding what's possible. And so really explaining not only what a digital twin is and should be, but what it can become and that it's within their grasp. The digital twin today, I think, to many is seen as cloud data, as historical information, as the digital information having to do with their assets. And it is all of that. But it's also much more. It needs to also include the spatial component, the information about where my assets are, what they connect to, how they interoperate, how that data is affecting my runtime, my downtime, my performance of those assets and the people and their safety as they work in these environments. And so that one of the challenges, I think, is clearly helping our customers understand what's possible and that it's within their grasp and that there really are tools out there that can help them get there quickly and maintain and sustain that value over time. I think it's clear what we're seeing is that the word digital twin is a buzz and people are talking about it. And where I think there's definitely momentum is around visualization and consolidation of data. And we're seeing this with a lot of solutions that traditionally might have been seen as a visualization tool or maybe an engineering tool. And I think the challenge that we're going to see is that transition. Can you take a tool that was designed and built for a certain purpose and use it for another purpose? And so this gets back to the challenge question. So what's gathering momentum certainly is the intuitive way to gather and see data. And I think what we really should be thinking about is, how am I going to use this data in a day-to-day basis in a true operational setting? How am I going to keep it active and alive? And changing and updating with my facility as my facility changes, as I have turnover in people. These are the things we should be thinking about, and that's what should be getting momentum and getting attention from our perspective. Well, I think the benefit to any sort of organization like the Digital Twin Consortium is that, we get like-minded people that are really looking at where technology can go and how work processes can really fundamentally change how operations and maintenance activities can be performed, how people work with information, with data, with each other. And so coming together and really exchanging ideas, understanding what's possible, where this technology is going, this will also help our mutual customers be able to also research and understand where this is headed, and then also being able to influence where the digital twin should go, what it really should mean, and help define where that's headed for all of us. So I think it's an important part of any new idea or new thought is bringing people together and making sure that we have a chance to exchange those ideas in a way. There's plenty of opportunity out there for all of us, and coming together in this way I think is important. And I'm really proud and happy to be part of the Digital Twin Consortium, and look forward to future events and future opportunities to discuss these and other ideas.